Hello, a rand between array is quite funny thing, and it's like a basic thing to generate some random sequences, because you often need just a random number starting from A ending to B, and you need sequence of values like this. But my rand between array is also does not recalculate. You see, it doesn't recalculate itself. So if I add something, it doesn't recalculate, but it recalculates when I change formatting like that. So here is a random array of 100 random numbers starting from 2 ending to 5, and mode is 1. If I select mode not 1, something else, then my numbers will be recalculated each time. So mode 1 is more convenient way to use it, and if I change some numbers, for instance from 1 to 5, it will also give me number 1 in this sequence of numbers. So let's please see how to do it, because it's really simple. Now I want to show you. First of all, there's a trick, I don't know why, but it works. It does not recalculate what's inside it. So if I use a random array like this, rand array, and I give it 100, so I will get 100 random values, but they are between 1 and 0. And if I modify it somehow, let's see how. If I do something like this, I will use index to create array formula and multiply by 100, so I will get numbers between 0 and 100. But also if I add integer int to this, so I will get a random array of integers from 1 to 100, and they will recalculate. So they will recalculate each time. So how did I get this one? With lambda, and it's very easy. Just lambda a of a, and we'll give it this array as a parameter. So as this one is a parameter, it does not recalculate each time you type something into your other cells. So when I type, this one does not recalculate, and it's just fine. I don't know why, but it works, and I saw this trick on Stack Overflow comment from someone, from some good person. Cheers to him or her. And that's it. Now how it works. Then you just pack this into name function, and that's it. You have your random array which does not recalculate each time you type something in your spreadsheet. Thanks.